Get a feel for the 2022 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, alarm, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.